Welcome back to The Explainer. Today, we're tackling an absolutely crucial tool for clear, vivid writing. Whether you're actively building up your Cambridge English foundation, or honestly just looking to sharpen up your everyday communication, mastering what we're talking about today is going to instantly level up your skills. Let's jump right in.
So, I have a question for you. Can one single word actually make your sentence clearer? It's kind of a huge claim, right? Well, let's test it out. Take a look at a really basic, everyday sentence like, she writes. Now, sure, it's grammatically correct, but it's a bit empty. It leaves us hanging, wondering what's actually going on.
But watch this transformation. We go from she writes to she writes carefully. Boom. Suddenly, you can actually picture the scene in your mind, can't you? That one single word completely changes our entire understanding of the action. And that magic word right there, that is an adverb.
Here is our quick 4-step path to mastering adverbs today. 1. The big rule. 2. 4 simple questions. 3. Going from wrong to strong. And 4. A mini practice time.
Section 1. The big rule.
Okay, so what exactly is an adverb? Basically, it's a word that gives us more information about a verb, an adjective, or even another adverb. You can think of them as the ultimate modifiers. But for our Grade 6 Cambridge English focus today, we're going to zoom in specifically on how adverbs give more info about verbs. Literally, they are the loyal sidekicks to your action words.
Section 2. 4 simple questions.
Spotting an adverb is actually super easy when you have the right framework. If you want to find an adverb or figure out which one you should use, just rely on the rule of 4. Adverbs generally answer these 4 questions about an action: how, when, where, or how often. It is a fantastic mental checklist to just keep in your back pocket.
Let's see that in action. First up, how, as in she writes carefully. The adverb carefully tells us exactly how that writing is happening. Then we've got when. Take, he arrived yesterday. The word yesterday completely locks down the exact timing of the verb arrived. See how one little word adds so much precision?
Building right on that, we have where. For example, they played outside. The action is playing, and outside points us right to the location. And finally, how often. Like, I usually read before bed. The word usually instantly lets us know the frequency of that reading. So remember, how, when, where, and how often. Lock those in.
Section 3. Wrong to strong.
Let's fix some common mistakes that trip up, honestly, a ton of students. Take a look at this one. She writes neat. Well, neat is an adjective, and we absolutely cannot use adjectives to describe verbs. To make this sentence strong, we need the proper adverb ending, so it becomes she writes neatly. Adding that ly at the end is usually your quickest fix to turn an adjective into a proper adverb that answers how.
Now, word order is another really frequent trap. Look at always I do my homework. Try saying that out loud right now. Feels a bit clunky, doesn't it? Putting the adverb in the wrong spot totally disrupts the natural flow. The strong, correct version is, I always do my homework. Just sliding that adverb of frequency right before the main verb instantly fixes the rhythm.
But wait, hold on. Before you just go slapping an ly onto the end of literally every word, you need to hear this crucial warning. Not every adverb ends in ly. Nope. Words like fast, well, often, and here completely break that pattern. He runs fast perfectly answers how, and I play here answers where. They're doing the exact same job, they just refuse to wear that ly uniform.
Section 4. Mini practice time. All right, it is time to put those new skills to the test. I've got 4 quick challenges for you. Number 1, fix this sentence. He spoke quiet. Number 2, find the adverb in the boy ran quickly. Number 3, add an adverb of time to she finished her homework. And number 4, fix the word order in always I do my homework. Go ahead and briefly pause the explainer right now and lock in your answers.
Okay, let's see how you did. For step 1, the fix is he spoke quietly. We definitely needed that ly ending. Step 2, the adverb is quickly. For step 3, you could have said she finished her homework yesterday, or early, or now, really anything that clearly answers when. And for step 4, it should be I always do my homework. If you nailed all of those, fantastic job.
So, why does all of this actually matter in the real world? Well, adverbs help us write clear descriptions, stronger narratives, and way more accurate exam answers.
Whether you're crafting some wildly imaginative story or sitting down for a stressful Cambridge English exam, adverbs are what give your writing that sharp precision. They literally take your sentences from vague to vivid.
To wrap things up today, I want to challenge you. Try crafting one single, ultra-precise sentence in the comment section, answering how, when, where, or how often an action happens. But as you go about the rest of your day, I want you to think about this. The very next time you're reading your favorite book, pay really close attention to the adverbs. Are those authors actually using them to subtly manipulate how you feel about a character, without you even realizing it? Think about how much power one single word can wield. Thanks so much for exploring this with me, and keep questioning the language around you.